Now, Bremer Bay is one of those places you may have heard of, but probably not visited. It's about 2 hours east of Albany and it's off the main road, but it's fast becoming a tourism hotspot. And it's not just because of its natural beauty. There's something going on here that's really quite remarkable. And I'm taking you on the tour with me today. So come on, let's get on board. Whale-watch cruises head 45 minutes from shore. And below the ocean's waters here, there's a huge underwater canyon. And every year from January to April, nutrients start bubbling into the waters here, attracting millions of marine creatures. Gemma, I am so excited. Tell me a little bit more about this incredible canyon that's not far off the coast here.
Well, Bremer Bay is a special place. It holds a big secret, but it won't be for long.
Yep.
It's a wonderful spot where we can see the largest congregation of orca in the entire southern hemisphere.
Now, there's something special going on that's brought them all in, isn't there?
It truly is. So what's happening is we've got the currents from the north meeting the currents of the south.
Yeah.
And because it's a canyon, it's sort of like the most interesting underneath that you'll see all of the different divots and holes. So there's little eddies where these two currents can meet, and it creates a perfect mix of nutrients. Plus, it's believed we have a gas leak out there a little bit, which acts like a fertiliser.
Right.
So that creates a perfect environment for the smallest of the food chain, and it goes all the way up to the very top, the apex predator, the orca.
Then there is the sperm whale?
Sperm whale, longfin pilot whales. So these three major predators in our oceans can all be sighted sometimes on the same day when we go out there. They're after the squid.
So tell me about these orcas and their families. They're really quite sophisticated, aren't they?
They are. They're very intelligent and their families are just like my family and your family. So we have a leader of the family and it's actually the mum, the matriarch. She's the big boss. She can live to be up to 100 years old and she will closely be followed generally by her son. And you'll see the males with the big, massive dorsal fins.
Yeah. When's the best time to come and visit Bremer Bay and have this whale experience at the same time?
Well, if you want to see the whales and the orcas and the sperm whales, this sort of congregation we're getting right now really peaks in January, February and March.
This 25-metre purpose-built vessel can comfortably seat 75 people and it's engineered for speed and luxury. You're free to take in the natural surroundings and the amazing wildlife. And what a sight to behold. Well, what an amazing experience. You've got to do this. This is something you will never forget. Now, the thing that I love about it the most is this is a family business and they treat you like you're part of the family. You are a guest and well looked after, and it just makes it such a special day. Make sure you check it out.